Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Inspect the car, note mileage and obvious damage, and grab service records. These shape value. Request a loan payoff quote if financed, and pull your title or registration. Make sure everything matches. Next, price the car using 2 to 3 online tools and write down the trade-in estimate versus private sale. This gives your negotiation range. Once done, book a dealer appraisal appointment and prepare to present organized paperwork. You now move into the complex middle steps, appraisal and negotiation. Clean and photograph the car. Good presentation raises offers. Bring service records and recent receipts to prove maintenance. Visit 2 or 3 dealers within a week to compare appraisals and keep offers written. Make sure to negotiate the trade-in as a distinct line item, then handle new car pricing afterward, because mixing them hides true value. If the dealer bundles figures, pause, ask for itemized numbers, and counter with your documented market estimates. You finish by closing the deal and knowing one key troubleshooting move. Review every document, payoff amount, title transfer, odometer statement, and any dealer fees. Before signing, confirm trade allowance is applied to the balance. Double-check taxes, rebates, and finance APRA. Make sure numbers match your negotiated totals. If the dealer changes terms or you disagree, pause signing, ask for manager review, and demand written explanations. If unresolved, walk and use your best written out the door offer elsewhere to press for a fair resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.